Hello, students. Today we are going to learn about contiguous word phrases. So, what is meant by contiguous word phrase? So, here we are not going to check for the single word. We will start with the word phrases. So, you'll have a two or more words which can be treated as single semantic unit. For example, United States of America. So here I'm taking the United States of America as a continuous word phrase. So it will consist of four words which will specify a single term. Okay. So for example, United States of America. So we are taking as a single word and we'll do the search accordingly. So whenever you're using this kind of phrases, okay, so we have to remember that we should have the and operation in between the words. For example, it may return any other word in between manufacturing. So manufacturing at United States of America. Then also it will take as adjacent word and it will calculate the proximity of similar words and it will give the retrieve. Okay. So if two terms are different word phrases, then also you can go with the adjacency operator and you can do it. So adjacency operator will be a manufacturing. So sorry, and so manufacturing and United States of America will be done parallelly and it will be considered as continuous word phrase. So coming to the other operators, you can go with the Boolean operators. Different Boolean operators may be you can use or and or any other operators in order to maintain this contiguous word phrases. So you can also call it as n operator where you may have n number of words. Like there is no rule that only you should have one operator, one phrase or two phrase. You can have n number of phrases. So we will see the example. In the example, so Venetian adjacent blind. So here you are adding Venetian and blind. So you can use any adjacency operator over here. So it will find, if I mention here not, so it will only check for the Venetian, not the blind. Okay. Second one is United within 5 words American. So United States and American interest, United Airlines and American Airlines, not on United States of America and the American dream. So you have to check the word phrases accordingly. Third one is nuclear with zero paragraphs cleanup. So what is the meaning of this one is you have to zero paragraphs would items have nuclear and cleanup in the same paragraph. So you have to check in the given paragraph, you should have two words called nuclear and cleanup. So these are the operations where you will mention the rules and you will have the search statement. So next type of search is fuzzy searches. So what are the different fuzzy searches we are going to use? So fuzzy in the sense it may be found or it may not be found. It is relevant or may not be relevant. So it will be in between true and false. It will only say that it is available or it will not available. So this fuzzy logic, fuzzy searches will help in order to increase the recall and decrease the precision, which is very important for our retrieval systems. So, in the process of this, for example, if you take a term computer, so I can have information database, you can have many words computer, 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 computer. So, any other phrases you have, so compute. All these words can be identified only with the help of fuzzy search. If you take another kind of search, it will only check for the word computer. Others it will remove. So it will say that it is not relevant. But here in the fuzzy set, if you observe, the words related to all type of computer or whatever it may be, some grammatical mistakes are also there, but it will retrieve all those values. Coming to the next type of search is your term masking. So in the term masking, what you have to do is you have to expand a query term by masking some portion of the term. Means you will hide the some portion of the term with the help of the stemming algorithm. So for example, you may have some don't care functions or you want to change other values. So in this, you will have two types of term masking, fixed length and variable length. Fixed length means if you fix the length as two, all the masking will be done only with the two terms. Variable length means you may have change according to your requirement. You can change. So fixed length masking will be defined as single position mask. So it masks out any symbol in a particular position or if the position is not available. So variable length don't case allow masking of any number of characters within the same, as I said. So if I fix only one single position, this will be fixed length. The variable does not allow, does not care how many positions are changed or how many variables are different. Okay. So the masking may be in front, at the end, at both front end or embedded means in between. So the first three cases are called suffix search, prefix search, and embedded character. If I'm taking front, it is suffix. If I'm taking at end, it is prefix. If I'm taking between, it is called embedded. For example, if you see this particular example, so here what I have observed, star is there. This is masked. So starting, it is suffix. I've done end. So it is prefix. I have put in both the sides, that is embedded string search. So what is the term? What is a masking element we are going to see? Star is your masking element. So this is an example. If you see here, 1 second. Yeah, in this example, dollar. So you have the dollar symbol which is embedded in between your values. Second one, star at the end and start of the computer. So it can match with mini computer, micro computer, or computer. So compute, see if it is only masking at the end. So it will allow ERS, ING, ES. It will not accept if any other values are available here. So if the mask is at the both the signs, so microcomputers, so TERS. Mini computing, mini is there, ING. Compute, okay, both E is there. So you can use anywhere. So just again, I'm just briefing. So this is at the both the ends. This is prefix, and this is also both the end terms, term masking. So another type of term asking you can check in the case of dates. So what are the numeric and date ranges to find the numbers? You can also use over here 125 star or 125 dot means it will have any numbers length begins according to the values. So the masking will be done. Next one is concept of thesaurus expansion. So this is very important. Here we will not check anything. We will only check the concept. So whatever the concept or what you call it as thesaurus, and this will be a level of expansion of the terms to other terms which will have the similar meaning. So if I say good, honesty, perfect, excellent. So excellent and perfect are same. So this can be expanded with the same meaning of the letters. So if you found any topic, that particular topic will be gathered information according to the value. For example, if I mention topic system, so the data related to complete word in the tree structure, it will be mentioned over here. It can also link to word stems. Okay. So these concept classes will link the word stems according to the requirement. So if we see the example over here, yeah. Here I don't check any relevancy about that. Only thing is computer. If I take a computer, it may be data processor, it may be mainframe, it may be PC, it may be multitasking computer, it may be CPU, or it may be a mini computer. So all these things will be done using your concept class. One other example, if you talk about the computer, it may be computer hardware or it may be computer software. Again, computer hardware may be divided into processor peripheral. Computer software will have the application software, operating systems, and networks. So this is the concept class search. Okay. Concept class search. So this thesaurus is a semantic or based statistics. A semantics will be helpful for searching other values according to your semantically similar. So if I say the computer, application of the computer, disadvantages of the computer, parts of the computer, everything will be comes into the picture. So any other alternative uses of this particular concept basis, like if you store all the values, mining can be done. All these things will be easily identified and relevant elements can be easily found. Okay. So this is the different types of masking elements and all these things. Thank you.